Hey everybody, just wanted to do a little quick video of this power screwdriver I got because I just got to do this. It is so cool and so inexpensive. Up here in Canada, it's a Mastercraft. It's like $15. Comes with an entire assortment of bits that are interchangeable, various Allen and torque sizes that they have, and the cool part is definitely the drive. This thing does a great job and saves a whole lot of trouble. Works great. I love it. If you don't have one, pick something up like this because it sure makes life a lot easier. Obviously, you can change directions too. But, yeah, I'd say money well spent there. And if you don't like it as a screwdriver, it's got a great little gear reduction in it. Thanks for watching.